So many people asking for one question. How can advertise your videos on your using Pinterest option? So I'm searching for this video, which is where you get the less views. Select here. In a one title, we have the multiple title is there. I'm writing only for one title for your YouTube. There's people searching for different ways. So in this one, first of all, this title, click for share option. The name option is called Pinterest. The now option called is Pinterest. In this Pinterest, will be already create your profile. In this one, select your Pinterest option. In one video, we can promoting is a multiple keyword. The option name is called Pinterest. How to promote? Create a board, select your board name and create. This one we can promoting for multiple title. How to add likes and dislike your YouTube videos 2019. Same option. What is different? Your promotion title is a difference. We can go for everything done. Once you click for share, create a board and upload it. So what are the board you're creating? Here we can see this board. How many board I'm creating right now? One video. I'm creating for two board. See, video same. How many keywords you can promoting? How to like and dislike, hide. How to hide the rating. Video same. Promote how many keywords? Two keywords. So you can select another keyword. Here. Switch. YouTube video below option. The option name is share. Share below is showing for Pinterest. The Pinterest we can promote in the multiple keyword using the board option and the create. Video is one, but keywords are number of. This all belongs to for promoting for one YouTube video, promoting for multiple keywords. Suppose you have anything will be need by the more option. Suppose link is same, title same, promoting for another image, promote by another image also. That all dependent by your promotions. Pinterest will be promoting link same, thumbnail same, multiple keyword. Link same, keyword same, multiple images. Link same, keyword same, multiple images. So here, link same, keyword same. Over the changing for image. So copy. So right now I'm selecting for Google image. It's only for temporary. I'm taking Google image. Is the mine? Not. I got this. Just I'm using this option. Okay. We can go for here. Pin. Title same or not? Same. Image. Images download. Done. Previous one now will be link same, keyword same. What I'm changing for image. Keyword same, link same, only image will change. First one is the link same, keyword change, image same. Second option, link same, keyword same, image change. Two methods. One is the link same, image same, keyword change. Second option, link same, keyword same, image will be changed. We can promoting multiple images and multiple keywords. The option name is called Pinterest. This is the logic of the Pinterest option. To promote one link with multiple images and multiple keywords, the name is called Pinterest option.